So welcome to the second video on the Mobile Made Simple channel, and it's actually a very exciting evening as the Unc0ver jailbreak has just been released for the latest Apple devices. So here we have the iPad Pro 2020, the 11-inch, and then here we've got the 11 Pro Max. So I've already installed the Unc0ver app via the Alt Store application. I will put a link in the description. There is a few methods to install the Unc0ver app, but a few of them, one includes installing Xcode, and the other one requires an Apple developer account. So it's easier to do it via the Alt Store app, but I will leave that in the description. So we're now ready to open the Unc0ver 5.0 app on both devices. So open it on the 11 Pro Max and the iPad 2020. So you can see this says ready to jailbreak. So we now just press it on both. So this is showing the advert for the Rebel case from Everything Apple Pro, who has actually sponsored this jailbreak. So we'll just close that advert down, and I think that case is now on pre-order, and that's your jailbreak completed. So it's literally as simple as that. So press OK, let them both reboot, and then when that comes back on, we should hopefully have Cydia installed. So it has just rebooted back on, and I have had to open the Unc0ver app again and run it for a second time. So I've proceeded with that on the iPad, just run that through on the iPhone. So it's doing something slightly different on the iPhone, whether that's a crash or not we will see. But it's now completed on the iPad. So we've now got Cydia installed on the iPad, but for some reason it didn't work on the iPhone, so I'm just going to run that again. Yeah, and now it looks like it's doing it a second time. Maybe it's just a slight error. Yeah, it runs through this code, and then when that reboots, you now have Cydia installed. So I'll just let the iPhone finish, and then we'll come back on again, and there's the advert again for the phone Rebel case. So it worked the second time. The iPhone is now rebooted, and I've got Cydia installed on the 11 Pro Max and Cydia installed on the iPad. And you can actually see how fast Cydia loads up now compared to the older devices, thanks to the newer processors. So obviously if you've used Jailbreak before, Cydia does take a while to load the resources and that when it's first loaded, and to pull in all of the packages. So what I'm going to do now is install some of the tweaks and apps that obviously I've used in the past, and then maybe I'll do a follow-up video within a few days just talk about some of the nice tweaks that work on 13.5. But yeah, once again, thanks to Porn2 Owned and the Unc0ver team for bringing the 0-day jailbreak to the latest devices. And obviously, if you do like these kind of videos, then please subscribe for more. Thank you.